Hello, tech enthusiasts and creators. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation and design with our top 5 best 3D printers reviews in 2024. If you're a maker, inventor, or simply curious about the endless possibilities of 3D printing, you're in for a treat. In the video description, you'll find links to these cutting-edge 3D printers. But before you hit the print button, make sure to like this video, subscribe to stay in the know, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our tech updates. Let's get ready to turn your ideas into reality with the top 5 best 3D printers reviews in 2024. Starting at number 5, Creality Halot-Mage 8K 3D Printer. The Creality Halot-Mage 8K is a game changer in the world of resin 3D printing. With a stunning 10.3 monochrome screen and an 8K resolution, it produces highly detailed prints with lifelike textures. The compact design, efficient flip lid, and integrated air purifier make it user-friendly and space-efficient. The printer's powerful Z-axis, dual linear rails, and high-quality resin options ensure a smooth printing process with minimal wobbling. The Halot box slicing software and compatibility with other slicers offer flexibility in your workflow. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Creality Halot-Mage 8K is an outstanding choice for those who demand high precision and exquisite details in their 3D prints. The air purifier and LCD protector further enhance the overall experience. At number 4, Sovol SV06 Plus 3D Printer. The Sovol SV06 Plus 3D printer is a workhorse designed for those who need reliability and flexibility. With a print size of 300x300x340 it accommodates a wide range of projects, and its recommended printing speed of 150 mm slashed as is impressive. The printer's high precision and compatibility with various nozzle diameters and filaments make it suitable for diverse applications. The printer is compatible with multiple operating systems and file formats, ensuring a seamless workflow for users. With a robust build and a power supply of 500-watt 24-volt, it's ready to handle demanding tasks. If you're looking for a dependable 3D printer that can handle a variety of projects with ease, the Sovol SV06 Plus is a strong contender. At number 3, Elegoo Neptune 3 Max 3D Printer. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is a 3D printer that impresses with its dual-gear direct drive extruder, massive print volume, and stable, quiet printing experience. The 420x420x500 build volume is perfect for those who crave creative freedom, enabling you to print large models or batches of smaller ones with ease. The auto bed leveling and auxiliary leveling features ensure a hassle-free setup, while the dual lead screws, dual motor drive, and silent motherboard make for a smooth and quiet printing process. The PEI magnetic platform enhances adhesion and ease of removing prints. The removable capacitive touchscreen adds convenience to your printing experience. This printer is ideal for enthusiasts, creators, and professionals looking for a reliable and spacious 3D printing solution that delivers precise and consistent results. At number 2, AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5 3D printer packs a punch with its impressive specifications. With a print volume of 235x235x250 M3, it offers ample space for a wide range of projects. The dual printing modes, fast and normal, cater to different speed and precision needs. Whether you're looking to print intricate details or complete projects quickly, the M5 has you covered. The M5 boasts an extruder temperature cap of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for versatile material compatibility, from PLA to ABS and TPU. Its nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, with compatibility for 0.20.6 0.8 mm, ensures fine detail reproduction. This printer's compatibility with various operating systems, Windows, Linux, Mac, adds to its versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of users. If you're in need of a reliable, high-speed 3D printer that delivers precise results, the AnkerMake M5 is a solid choice. At number 1, Elegoo Jupiter 6K 3D Printer. The Elegoo Jupiter 6K 3D Printer is a powerhouse of precision and efficiency. With its 12.8-inch 6K monochrome LCD, it delivers astounding print quality at a 51-micron XY resolution. This means you can create models with intricate details that truly stand out. The generous print volume of 277.848 x 156.264 x 300 millimeters allows for large-scale prints or multiple small parts in one go, catering to both hobbyists and commercial users. The all-metal structure ensures durability and stability, and the ball-screw Z-axis mechanism ensures smooth and quiet operation. One standout feature is the automatic resin feeding system, a real game changer. No more worries about mid-print interruptions due to low resin levels. The 5-inch capacitive touchscreen interface is intuitive and responsive, allowing for hassle-free operation. The built-in air purifier effectively tackles resin odors, creating a pleasant printing environment. The LED strip illumination is a thoughtful touch, ensuring visibility even in poorly lit spaces. For those seeking top-notch print quality and efficiency, the Elegoo Jupiter 6K is a standout choice.